Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be using the K&N recharger kit to clean my air intake filter on my Audi S4. Let's open up the hood and take off the filter. It's in there, it's pretty dirty. Let's take this cover off. I want to just pick it up, pull it off, and then go set this aside. I'm going to put this in my car. Now what you want to do is you want to take off this clamp and pull out the filter. And you want to do that by using a flathead screwdriver. As you can see my filter is really dirty. And it's supposed to be red from the oil, but it's dirty. Let's get this cleaning. I'm gonna be putting these gloves on so no debris go inside. And let's get to clean the filter. So let's open this up. Alright, so we got the cleaner here. And then we got the oil for the filter. So first what we have to do is we gotta spray a decent amount onto the filter. You gotta let it soak in for about 10 minutes. And then we will rinse it out with the garden hose. So that's good. And we also want to spray the inside too. Now what we want to do, we want to just soak it in for about 10 minutes and then we start rinsing. We'll come back in around 10 minutes. Alright, so 10 minutes have gone by. Now let's just rinse it off. Depending on you, you might need 2 if your intake is dirty, but mine is not that dirty, so we're okay. You can see the dirt coming out. You don't want to use too much pressure, just use the garden hose without a nozzle on it.